The Bafaeng hub motor is a popular choice among electric bike enthusiasts worldwide. Its high efficiency and reliability make it a standout option for converting traditional bikes into electric versions. The Bafaeng hub motor's easy installation process appeals to both experienced cyclists and beginners venturing into the electric bike scene. With its smooth and quiet operation, the Bafaeng hub motor provides a seamless riding experience without compromising on power. The Bafaeng hub motor's versatility allows it to handle various terrains and road conditions, making it ideal for diverse cycling adventures. Furthermore, the Bafaeng hub motor is known for its durability and low maintenance requirements, ensuring long-lasting performance for riders. Whether you are commuting in the city or exploring scenic routes, the Bafaeng hub motor delivers a reliable and enjoyable ride every time. In conclusion, the Bafaeng hub motor stands out as a top choice for electric bike enthusiasts due to its performance reliability and user-friendly features.